Hey DIYers! As you might know, I am a huge fan of Happy Mail, and I love the fact that you can stick a stamp on almost anything and send it through the mail. Well, today on Make Your Mark, I am showing you how to make really cool stationery with some simple envelopes from the dollar store and my gel press. And I'm also going to show you how to make extra large wax seals using sprigs of foliage from your garden. Just a few fun ways to jazz up your Happy Mail game. Now don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some Happy Mail. You might ask why I'm spraying the gel press and not the envelopes directly. Great question. Spraying the gel press allows the color to blend a little before I place the envelopes, something that wouldn't happen if you just sprayed the paper directly. These envelopes reminded me of the work of Gustav Klimt. Klimt was the leader of the Vienna Secession movement and was a master of symbolism. He often used gold leaf in his work, and though he never married, he fathered 14 children. Nothing to do with envelopes, but interesting nonetheless. Look for very flat-base drinking glasses and votive holders for this project. Check out thrift stores first for the biggest selection. You'll definitely want to use one of Surebonder's larger glue guns for the larger hot glue seals. Wax seals as we know them today became common in the Middle Ages. Monarchs, bishops, and other significant figures began using wax to press their seal onto documents to authenticate them. But they can even be traced back further to the Old Testament, where it mentions that Jezebel used Ahab's seal to counterfeit important documents. Sealing wax can be expensive and even a little hard to find, but these colorful hot glue sticks from Surebonder give you tons of color options. I'm going to leave a link to gel press and Surebonder and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration and I will see you next week. Bye.